Boy, ain't no way. So, I heard about Speed lighting a firework off in his house. Boy, ain't no way. Now, to be honest, I probably would do it too. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I probably would do it too. Facts. I would do it too. Just because I felt like doing it. Just because I never did it before and I want to do it. Who gonna stop me? Who gonna stop me? Huh? Who gonna stop me? Like, comment, and subscribe. Nobody gonna stop me. Let's get right to it though.
First one, oh! Let's like the Pikachu one, y'all.
Oh. Well, I heard about that one. That Pikachu one, boy. Actually, I didn't. I don't know what that is.
Let's like the Pikachu one, y'all. So I don't think it's gonna be that loud, personally. Oh shit. Oh yeah. So I don't think it's gonna be that loud, y'all. Damn, where the hell my lighter go? Where's my lighter? Where's my lighter at? No. Where did I put it? Oh, here we go, right here. Alright! Pikachu!
Boy, ain't no way. Boy, ain't no way. Boy, ain't no way. Bro, you saw what he just did, bro? Boy, ain't no way. What the? Oh.
Stop!
What is he doing? Bro, not trying to. Bro, just.
Oh my God, Mom! Mom! Oh my goodness! No! No, it's not! It's not! What the fuck is you doing? I didn't know! I thought it was... No, stop! Turn that stream out! I didn't know! I thought it was the popping one, Mom!
Oh, but hey, that's annoying. I ain't gonna lie. That right there do a lot of flashback, bro. Cause when I used to cook, boy, every time I cook, all they do is go off all day long. Every time I cook. So am I just like a bad cooker or what? Like, come on, man, get off my meat. Them things really be hating on me. Boy, ain't no. Boy, ain't no way. Well, that's crazy. That's crazy, but hey, I know he mad though. I know, bro, mad. Man, I gotta come just for this, man, cause this dumb little kid wanna pop fireworks in his house, man. Dumb little boy. I know, bro, mad. What's bro doing? Well, you just go stand there or do your job. Oh, he's scanning. He's scanning. You scanning for fire? My fault. I probably know what he's doing. I'm just speaking. My fault. My fault. But that's tough though. Hold on. This is what you gotta ask yourself. How did he get there so fast? Haven't even been 3 minutes, and he was already there. I don't even think it's been a minute. Bro came in less than a minute, bro. When do you ever hear that happening? You never go hear that happening, boy. You never go see that nowhere, boy. You call the cops, but they'll be there in about 4 days. Come on, bro. Chill out. Same with the fire department. They all got the same number, 911. 911, my boy. Come on. Hey, but this was crazy. I'm actually gonna try this though. That looked cool. Looked real cool and safe. Looked real safe. I'm gonna try that. Like, comment, and subscribe, man.